Hey guys, it's Dhruts Patel and welcome to my channel. This is my first video ever, so yes, if you don't know how I got this look, then please keep watching. So let's get started.
Okay, so I'm using NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector in medium moyen and putting that underneath my eyes, like around my eyes, cause as you can see, that dark circle. So yes, and then I'm taking the same thing, corrector, and putting on my cheeks and around my lips. Now I'm using LA Pro Concealer in natural and putting underneath my eyes like that to highlight my under eyes. Now I'm using Fit Me Concealer in Sable, and this is my holy grail concealer. I use this all the time. And yeah, as you know, I'm using on my cheeks to hide those spots on my forehead, bridge of the nose, around my nose. Yeah, everywhere, like legit on my chin, upper lips, everywhere, as you can see, to highlight everything. Now, using my Real Technique brush, that's my foundation brush, and I'm using all over it like that. You have to just dab it. You don't rub it or buff it. Just dab, 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 dab. You know, just dab. Yes, girl, work it. Now I'm using my Fit Me pressed powder, Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. Yes, and putting underneath my eyes like that, and all over my face because I like that matte look. I don't like glossy look, I just like matte look, so yeah. And now I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in Beautiful Browns, using that highlighter on my lid just to open up my eyes like that. I mean, it's open already, but still. Now I'm using that Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in 740 Bikini contest and bronzing my face, like contouring like that, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, like everywhere. I love contouring, so yes, why not? Now I'm taking the second shade of that same eyeshadow palette and using as my nose contour because that gives me like a really natural look on my face. So yes, girl, and I'm using that. It is, I guess it's Real Technique. I don't know, it's a brush, eyeshadow brush, but I don't know what brush it is. And then using that same color underneath my eyes, and then using that eyeliner, as you can see, like legit. And then taking my eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes like that. I love it. Now I'm using my Mary Kay, what it is, it's a blusher, but I forgot the name. It's okay, I'm gonna put everything in the description box so you can see. And yeah, I mean, you can find everything in my description box. Now I'm using that angle brush and brushing my eyebrows, as you can see, and using my chapstick to tame all that eyebrows and give that glossy look, which I love it. And using my Revlon lipstick in red. I forgot the name, but it's a red color, and yeah, that's it. And I'm just trying to pose you now. You have to do that, I guess. I don't know, but yes, that's it, girl. Okay then. That's it.
If you're here, if you're still watching this video, then I'm so thankful to you because this is my first video, and yes, so I'm so happy that you watched until the end. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you next time, Lovelies.